taking that back home.
Yep. All right, Markel here with Radical Speed, and we are here with Justin Simmons, and he just won the bottom half of the stick shift shootout. So he was in the second tier with his ZR1, and as you've seen from a few passes before, he had a few issues. Then he got it worked out, and he blasted his way to the top. And we are here at the beginning of the track at Houston Raceway Park, and he has his TX2K20 trophy. So the ZR1 did exactly what he wanted it to do. That last pass that we got, he was cooking. He passed by that Mustang and said bye bye. So I mean, congrats. I mean, he's one of our good friends, and hey, we couldn't be any more happy for him and his ZR1. And I am just so happy to see it make clean passes. So the last 4 passes, what is it, 4 passes?
Yeah.
So the last 4 passes were good, clean hits, and he's been struggling with that the whole time we've been here. And then for it to wake up and do way better than he ever thought it would do.
Yep.
I mean, not only did it wake up, but he won. You know, kept winning, and I'm so proud that he kept staying with it.
Thanks,
and we wouldn't be here today.
That's right.
You know,
that's right.
Here we are. This is the way to end an event.
Yep.
Hey, we're a few poor Arkansas boys. We came down here, and we are taking home the trophy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, congrats again.
Thank you.
And like I said, we are beyond happy for you.
Thanks, man.
So,
appreciate it.
Peace, guys.